Hi, in this video, we will talk about Gradle features. In our previous video, we have seen that introduction to Gradle and what is build automation tool. So in this video, we will talk about Gradle features. Highly customizable. Gradle is modeled in a way that it is customizable and extensible in the most fundamental ways. The reason behind that is Gradle uses Groovy as a scripting language. So when you're using scripting language, you will have so much of flexibility there. You can customize whatever you want. Fast. Gradle completes tasks quickly by reusing outputs from previous executions, processing only inputs that change, and executing tasks in parallel. So that you can compare with your maven. So that we will see in our next video. But here it is very fast. The reason is you built your code already. So you have some changes. Now again, you want to build that. So in that scenario, it will not build already built files. Okay. So whatever it is changed, it will consider only that. Because of that, it is very fast and it will execute the tasks in parallel. Powerful. Gradle is the official build tool for Android and comes with support for many popular languages and technologies. So Expressive build language and deep API. So it has a very rich and deep API. So in this location, in this URL, you can see that entire API. You see that Gradle API 7.4.2. So you will have an entire API here, and you can come and see what exactly it is. Okay. Gradle is Groovy. So we are just discussing that, right? The Gradle script will be written in Groovy. So Gradle DSL is written with Groovy, providing syntactic sugar on top of Java. The result is a readable and expressive build language. So Groovy developed on top of Java with, it make it easy to write your code. So because of that, the result is a readable and expressive build language. Okay. Flexible conventions. One of the Gradle's big ideas is to give you guidelines and sensible defaults for your projects. So you have some guidelines, you need to follow that conventions when you use Gradle. Robust and powerful dependency management. So Gradle provides an infrastructure to manage the complexity of resolving, retrieving, and storing dependencies. Once they are downloaded and put in your local cache, they are made available to your project. So Gradle provides infrastructure to manage what? So resolving and retrieving and so storing your dependencies. Scalable builds. Gradle supports incremental builds by specifying task inputs and outputs. It reliably figures out for you which tasks need to be skipped, built, or partially rebuilt. So that is what we discussed, right? So that because of that, it is fast. So in the incremental builds, whatever you want to build, only that code will be built. Remaining things will be skipped. Effortless extensibility. So easy way to implement custom logic is by writing a task according to a requirement. How you write your according to your requirement the task. So because you will use Groovy as a language to write this Gradle script. Community driven and company backed. Open source developers have made major contributions to Gradle's core code base. Gradleware is the technical service and support company behind Gradle. So this is already developed by your open source developers, but now Gradleware is a company that is giving the support. Integration with other build tools. Gradle plays well with its preceders Ant, Maven, and Ivy. Okay, so not only you use Gradle, if you already have Ant, Maven, all these things, you can simply integrate with Ant, Maven, and Ivy, all these things. Okay, so this is all the features of Gradle. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.